Hi, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your XCN Onyxcoin tokens from your exchange into a hardware wallet, such as this Trezor that I've got. Now, it should work on other hardware wallets as well. It should work on Ledger and Tangem as well. I'd recommend you doing a small transfer first, but here's the process. It's very easy. I'm going to first open up my hardware wallet software, which in this case is the Trezor suite. I'm going to make sure that Ethereum is enabled, and if it's not, make sure you add a new account and add Ethereum. Why is that? It's because the Onyxcoin XCN token works on Ethereum's ERC20 network. And so what you'll need to do is actually go now to that Ethereum tab. You'll want to generate a receive address, so click on receive. Show the full address. Let's confirm. What we're going to do is we're going to send our Onyxcoin to our Ethereum receive address, and you'll see soon that it should appear as a token. And again, this should work for Tangem and Ledger as well, but first do a small transfer. Okay, so now back into my exchange account, Coinbase. I'm going to now send I'm going to try a very small amount just as a test transfer. Let's preview. Perfect. And let's continue the send. Okay, so now back into my hardware wallet software. I'm going to go to the Ethereum section, and if I wait for a couple of minutes, it should appear. So let's give it some time. All right, done. It's even grabbed the price and the balance as well. So there you go. An easy way to transfer and store your XCN tokens to your hardware wallet. If you have any questions, please ask below and give this a thumbs up. See ya.